Unajua mimi kuambia vitu hapa na unachukua for granted na zinakuja zinafanyika.
What have you ever told me?
Unaona kama hii confusion inaendelea opposition. Sasa Matiang'i anasema ako huku, Kalonzo ako huku. Hawa na wengine wako hivi. Watanyoroshwa round 1 na Ruto. You know, when you're competing with the opposition, unafaa kujiuliza, at what point ninampigia wapi? When you're competing with someone like the president, when he had no money, akawanyorosha, you should think not outside the box.
He's always had money.
You should not think outside the box. Chukua hiyo box utupe mbali. Yenyewe alikuwa na pesa from way back.
He's always had money.
Vile zilishikiliwa kidogo pale dakika ya mwisho. But anyhow, there's no time to start.
I think 2027 will be totally different.
We only have 1 year.
I'm telling you it's going to be totally different.
Sawa.
Things will happen.
Na Gen Z pia watakuwa hapo.
I'm telling you things will happen. Hautaamini.
Watakuwa hapa tu.
Hautaamini.
Come and see. In the meantime, umeona kitu Donald Trump anafanya Amerika. Huyo by the time amalizane nao, watakuwa makaratasi. Saa hii ametoa 2.2 trillion federal funding from Harvard. Now Harvard University.
Yes.
Ya research na hizo innovation. You know, yes, that's very critical. Hiyo ndio.
It is critical.
8 of US past president wamesomea Harvard. Huyu mtu unashindwa amekosana na kila mtu, China anakosana na kila mtu, left, right and center.
Me, I love Donald Trump. Harvard have been making a lot of money from grants from billionaires. Let them be surviving on that.
Unajua mahali tunafika, by the way, if you are a Kenyan na ujaienda America, unless sasa wakuite.
Trump will change this world. You people don't understand. You know, you're so uncomfortable with change, but change must come. Mutajitegemea. Hamtategemea Amerika na mwambia.
Trump ni wale makaburu wa kitambo sana. You know, like Harvard ilikuwa imetengenezewa bright students all over the world.
Do you know they collect billions of dollars in grants, free money from billionaires?
Wanapatiaga tax free, wanapatiaga tax.
They don't pay tax.
Students like Kiraitu Murungi, you know, he was in Harvard, alumni. And they give back.
Harvard have got more money than any institution in the world.
I can see what's happening.
Stay there. It's not going to happen.
I know what's happening from
Trump
here.
will leave America the richest country the world has ever seen. You can take that to the bank.